Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the bottle and the tank ready. Start now. First, measure your aquarium volume, liters or gallons, because dosage depends on that. Once done, remove a 10 to 20% water change to reduce pollutants and keep replacement water at the same temperature to avoid shock. Make sure to shake the API water conditioner bottle, then dose immediately following the label. For example, 1 ml per 10 L or 1 teaspoon per 5 gallons, to neutralize chlorine and chloramine. You'll now apply and monitor to make the treatment effective. Add the conditioner slowly across the surface so it disperses, rather than dumping in one spot. This helps immediate contact with dissolved chlorine. Once applied, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then confirm filter flow and aeration are normal because biological processes resume. Make sure to test ammonia and nitrite every day for 3 days using a test kit, since conditioner neutralizes toxins but does not remove them. If levels rise, you're at the finish line. Complete the water change and only redose conditioner when you add new tap water. Make sure to observe your fish for 24 to 48 hours. Rapid breathing, lethargy, or gasping at the surface indicate stress and require action. If you see an ammonia spike on your test, perform a 25 to 50% water change immediately, then retest and repeat as necessary. Remember, consistent monitoring prevents problems, so maintain daily checks until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.